Welcome to our channel. If you need to permanently delete your Facebook business page, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure the page is completely removed. Step 1. Log in to your personal Facebook account that has admin access to the business page you want to delete. Step 2. Navigate to your business page by clicking on Pages in the left sidebar and selecting the page you want to delete. Step 3. Once on your business page, click on Settings, located in the left column menu. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the General Settings page to find the Remove Page section. Step 5. Click on Delete Page Name to begin the deletion process. Step 6. Read Facebook's information about what happens when you delete a page. This action is permanent and cannot be undone. Step 7. Click on Delete Page to confirm that you want to permanently remove the page from Facebook. Step 8. Facebook will ask you to confirm once more. Click OK or Delete to finalize the deletion. Step 9. Your page will be scheduled for permanent deletion. You have a 14-day grace period during which you can cancel the deletion if you change your mind. After 14 days, the page and all its content will be permanently deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.